What if I told you you can turn any text or image into realistic denim fabric using AI in seconds? In this video, I'll show you how to generate a denim effect using AI or Nano Banana, bring it into Kittl for final layout, and prep it for DTF printing. This style is fully customizable, from the text itself to the denim color and stitching, making it perfect for streetwear graphics, patches, labels, and apparel designs. All right, enough talking. Let's dive in. Before we start, what is a denim effect? A denim effect is a design style that makes text or graphics look like they're made from real denim fabric, including weave, stitching, depth, and layered construction. It's used in streetwear, patches, apparel branding, and vintage-style graphics, anywhere you want a textile or fabric-based look. Why don't most denim tutorials work? There are lots of manual tutorials in creating denim effect, but why does most of them don't work? It's because they use flat texture overlays instead of building fabric depth and stitching into the design itself, so the result looks fake and pasted on. Why is it perfect for DTF? Denim-style designs work great for DTF printing because the process captures fine texture, gradients, and stitching details clearly. It also preserves strong color depth and contrast, which helps fabric-style graphics look realistic. Combined with AI-generated denim visuals, you get a dimensional, production-ready result without needing embroidery or sewn patches. Now that you know what a denim effect is, let's jump into Kittl and start the tutorial. Open Kittl and start a new project. Set the resolution to 300 dpi. Change the size to 4500 by 4500 pixels, then click Create. Upload your image and fit it to the canvas. Click the Artboard and then select Add Smartboard. Paste in the prompt we made, then edit the text according to your preference. For the denim color, I'll type in denim blue. And for the edge style, you'll just need to choose one. Make sure to delete the others. Make sure to use the Nano Banana Pro model, and then click Generate. And here's the result. Everything looks so real. The textures, the stitching, and even the excess threads on the edges make it more realistic. I'm already satisfied with this one. Now, to make it print ready, click the Smartboard, then click Expand. Let's use Kittl's Remove Background feature. After that, copy the image and paste it onto the artboard. Once done, click the Download icon. Make sure the resolution is set to 300 dpi and that the artboard you want to download is selected. Click Remove Background, then click Export. For the next step, we'll use another version of this prompt where I can turn any text into a denim effect. There's no need to create a new artboard. Just click the default prompt box and paste in our second prompt. Now edit the text. Change it to the text you want to use and adjust the denim color. This time I'll try washed blue. Then edit the other line and type in your word again. Make sure you're using the Nano Banana Pro model, then click Generate. And here's the result. I already love it, but I think I want to try another color as an option. So we'll use the same prompt, just change the denim color. Then click Generate. And here it is. I like this one more than the other. I also like the extra details it added. So we'll follow the same process. Remove the background, then copy and paste it onto Artboard 1. Click the download icon. There's no need to adjust the export settings. Just click Export.
Hey superstars, if you want to know exactly how we made this, the full prompt is inside our DTF Prompt Playbook. 20 effects, all tested on real transfers, all proven on real garments, puff print, embroidery, leather, silicone, denim. Copy the prompt, generate the design, send it to print. It's just that easy. Link in the description below. Now back to your video.
And if you want to print your design, head over to our website, transfersuperstars.com. We offer different services to help you print your design. Under DTF Transfers, click on DTF Transfers by Size. Here you can just simply drag and drop the image you're working with. Once the upload is complete, you can see the actual size of your image. If you are not satisfied with it, you can just simply resize it under Step 2. Just make sure your design is set to 300 dpi to ensure it's optimal for DTF printing. Also, under Step 2, you can see the price of each design based on its size. Under Step 3, you can see the sample price computation based on quantity. You can also enter a custom quantity if needed. You can also check this box if you wanted it pre-cut. If you want to add more images, you can upload them here. Once you're done, you can simply click Add to Cart and then proceed to checkout.
Want professional grade designs without the steep learning curve? That's where Kittl comes in. It's the ultimate shortcut for designing and editing artwork in one place. Best of all, you can get 25% off of any plan when you use my link in the description. Stop searching for the next move and go build something with Kittl. We got the transfer. Let's take a closer look.
Okay, let's go.
All right, let's take a closer look. If you guys see those edges, it looks so clean. I don't see any fuzziness. The resolution alone looks so clear. This is definitely a 300 DPI, guys. Let's take a closer look at the back side. Again, very clean edges. Yeah, I think we got a really solid transfer here, guys. All right, let's not push it any further. Let's get to it. For our blank, we are using a woman's white crop fleece hoodie with a style number of 7502. Now for our heat press, we're actually gonna be using our fan favorite so far is the Fever 15x15 automatic heat press. If you guys would like to have more knowledge about them both, there will be links in the description. Now let's get started. All right, let's align this real quick. We're gonna be using an aligning tool. You can find this anywhere in Amazon. I'm gonna be honest with you, they have a variety of them, a variety of brands too. So I don't know which one we use, but you could definitely use any type. And now what I'm gonna do is actually, to get a center point, I am going to just bend it a little bit. We do this a lot, so newcomers, if you've never seen that trick, it's not fairly new. I don't know if I want to bring this up a little bit more. This is actually not on the neckline, so let me put this up. And then let me put this up. All right, and then what we're gonna do is actually get some heat press tape. And again, you could also find these on Amazon too. Probably a little bit cheaper to get them on Amazon. Looks good. I'm gonna take this off. And then tape for the last bit. All right, this is ready. Let's get this heat pressed. For our heat press, we do have this set to 300 degrees at a 10-second press, guys. I know usually we do 7 seconds, but for this heat press exactly only does 5-second intervals, so that we were only able to get up to 10 instead of 7. This looks pretty flush, guys. I'm not seeing any of the actual, like, you know, side strings or anything like that, the seams to be an interference. So I think I'm set to actually use this without a pillow. Let's give it a shot. Even clicks through. There we go. Okay. All right. This looks pretty clean. So usually I would wait 15 seconds, but if you have something more of a full image, you could peel right off the bat. It is hot, guys. Yeah, wow. Even has like a similar feel of it. Oh my gosh. Okay, real quick. To get more of that added texture, we are going to use the matte finishing sheet since it's more of a denim texture. Yeah, we were able to get that cleared. All right. Woo! That is clean. I love the edges on it. All right, let's take a closer look on this, guys. All right, let's take a closer look, guys. The edges look so clean. I'm not lying to you. How 3D this looks. Like, even the threading kind of throws me off a little. This looks good, guys, especially on a white background for it too. It looks great. And I think this hoodie actually looks a lot better now too as well. All right, guys. Yeah, I think we did it for sure. Wow. All right. We walked you through how simple it is to transform a concept into a realistic denim style graphic using AI, and then brought it to life by printing it and pressing it onto a hoodie. The outcome, a sharp, breathable, and fully wearable design made effortless with the help of AI. I hope you had as much fun watching this as I did creating it. And if you're in the search for a reliable DTF supplier or just considering a change, we truly value the opportunity to earn your business. That's it for today, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.